Hello students, myself Pramod Gorat welcoming to all in first year admission process. For NKT college, the college code is 309 and we have to visit on http colon double slash nktdegreecollege.org. Once we visit on this website, it will show on the right hand side top corner the admission 2021. So we have to click on this icon so that we are processed to a next step, that is they are showing first year slash mcom part 1 and syty mcom part 2. So here we have to click on the first year slash mcom part 1. This is the mobile view, so that any students who can applying through a mobile, the view will be like this. Again, the admission 2021 is shown, so we have to click on the admission and next steps we will see like this, a first year slash mcom and syty slash mcom. Once it is done, just go through the website. Here is the option. Once we click on this, like this way, we will get the options and we have to process for our admission process. So here are the options. First option is for notice and procedure for MCOM, which is not concerned over here. So we are interested in FY BCom BA, in-house students instructions and outsider instruction. Once you have go through these steps, here is the in-house students instructions are given. So we have to click on this icon so that we will get one instruction PDF. Read it carefully and follow the steps. Similar way, those students who are outsider or willing to applying for SFC courses such as BMS, BSCIT, BBI, BAF and BAMM. So we have to follow this instruction, that is a notice for outsider. In the notice of in-house, the dates are the different, that is the opening of the online form are starting from the 7th to 10th and the payment of the fees 10 to 12th. Whereas for the outsider, it is from the as per the schedule. Now come to the next step. Follow the steps as per the shown in the website. Step 1, university pre-admission. Step 2, generate user ID and password. Step 3, college pre-admission form. If you have any kind of doubt, we have a help desk, and over here a mail ID and a contact number is provided. Now, once we click on the step 1, university pre-admission form, it is redirect to university website, and here we have to click on the first option, that is click here for Mumbai University pre-admission online registration 2021-22 and then fill the accordingly. After registration, fill the list of colleges and take the print or the soft copy which is required for the further process. As here the college code is 309 for NKT college in the Thane. Note: University admission form print mentioning college name and the course name required to fill the online form for the given website nkitdegreecollege.org. So it is mandatory whenever we are filling the pre-admission form for any college, we have to check the college name and the course which is selected. After completing your pre-admission process, we have to visit again NKT College, nkitdegreecollege.org website. Now we have to proceed to the step number 2. Here we have to generate the user ID and password so that it will be used for the further process. So for this we have to pay the 100 rupees fees for the form. So we have to select the class. Students, please note that for a single class we have to fill a one form. If you willing to apply for the different class, then we have to fill this form multiple times. Now proceed for the step number 3. Here, after creating your user ID and password, we have to click on college pre-admission form. It is redirect to your login credential. So here we have to mention your user ID and password and proceed further. If it is valid user ID and password, it is redirect to your admission form part 1. Fill all the necessary requirement as per the form and select whichever the options is suitable as per your form. For example, here you have to select the categories. If you are belonging to open category, we have to select the open category, or if you are belonging to SC, SBC, NT, VJNT, whatever the your category, we have to select. This category is used to upload the document. So further we are going to proceed. Then we have to also select the physical challenge, whether it is applicable or not. NA is indicating not applicable. If you are not belonging to this category, just click on the NA. Similar way, special reservation quota. There are the various options such as the Jammu Kashmir, widow, children and grandchildren for the freedom fighter, etc. If you are not belonging to that category, we have to select not applicable. Now proceed for the next. Here we have to upload our photo and a signature. Here the first image is a just demo image. So here we have to upload our candidate photo and then the signature. Now save and next. So here the list of document is shown. The star indicating the compulsory document as this is the demo entry and here which is mentioning the category as servicemen and etc. So here they are going to asking for uploading the document as per the class. Now next, the admission form part 2. Fill all the necessary requirement information and proceed and save and continue. In admission part 3, we have get a subject wise detail. Here we are not going to do anything, we just save and continue. Now in same part 4, we have to fill all the necessary requirement or the information for 10th and 12th class as mentioned here. Save and next, it is redirect to part 5 and here we have to mention a parents guardians informations and finally we have to submit and redirect. In case any document is failed to upload as in step number 2 as it is mentioning as a compulsory, so we have to redirect to system will redirect to your step number 2 again. Please check all the detail and then submit. After verification of form by the college, you will receive an email on your registered email ID. Students, note that email ID should be in a small letter only. Then we have to log in again to check the status of your admission form. As if the college raises any query, you will get that query in your admission status. Now, for login again, we have to again visit to our nkddegreecollege.org or follow the URL nkddegreecollege.org/academic/online hyphen admission/fy. So this is how we are done. Now, if you have any query, you can mail it on admission fyadmission 2021 at gmail.com or you can follow the help desk. Thank you. All the best, students. Thank you for watching.